Presenting the Tuscany Ranch at Colorado Springs, a finely appointed 800-acre ranch just east of Colorado Springs, Colorado. This property offers an immaculate 5-bed, 6-bath Tuscan-style executive home, ideal horse barn with a living quarter, equipment shed, and various other outbuildings. Ideally situated just minutes away from the vibrant city of Colorado Springs, Colorado, the ranch offers a prime location for residents and visitors alike. With the convenience of being close to various attractions and facilities such as the Colorado Springs Airport, Pikes Peak, the U.S. Olympic Training Center, the United States Air Force Academy, Peterson Air Force Base, and Schriever Space Force Base, individuals can easily access a range of recreational, educational, and cultural opportunities. Additionally, the area has experienced significant growth and offers a wide array of amenities to cater to the needs and preferences of its residents, making it an ideal destination for both work and play. The 800 contiguous acres offers rolling hills prairie and beautifully sodded native forage with great access and road frontage on 3 sides. The native grasses include crested wheat, blue Grama Grass, buffalo grass, ryegrass, and other species. The ranch is fully fenced and cross-fenced and is serviced by 2 water wells and includes a lawn irrigation system with 2 water storage tanks. Wake to incredible views of Pikes Peak and Cheyenne Mountain. The ranch is an ideal property for future development with its proximity to Colorado Springs, water rights, and road frontage. This custom-built Tuscany ranch home, completed in 2017, is truly an architectural masterpiece. Spanning 10,109 square feet, it boasts a range of impressive features, including an attached heated 3-car garage, 5 bedrooms and 6 baths, 2 living rooms, 2 family rooms, 2 dining rooms, a main-level kitchen, a basement kitchen with a wine pantry, as well as a spa and gym. The grandeur of the interior is enhanced by a 15-foot vaulted ceiling and a stunning Swarovski crystal chandelier, while the custom hardwood floors, travertine tile, columns, and arches add to its charm. The master bedroom offers an expansive walk-in closet, as well as a private bathroom featuring a built-in fireplace over the large tub. The downstairs bar is the perfect place for friends and family to gather, with plenty of room for games. The home also offers 2 courtyards, along with 5 patios accessible through walkouts. Additionally, the home is equipped with a whole ranch backup generator for added convenience and peace of mind. The horse barn itself spans 3,600 square feet and features an attached 864 square foot single-family residence. The residence includes a kitchen, bedroom, living room, and a full bathroom. Within the barn, you will find horse stalls, a tack room, a washroom, a kitchen, a bar, and a half bathroom. Additionally, there is a spacious 4,200 square foot indoor arena, which is ideal for training or winter riding. The barn amenities make an ideal gathering place for equine events. Other improvements include a 3,600 square foot equipment shed with 4 large double garage doors, loafing sheds and livestock shelters, and an outdoor arena. Currently, the ranch is used as a grazing operation for horses and cattle, but could operate as a breeding or horse training facility. The ranch features mule deer, pronghorn, coyote, fox, and mourning dove, offering hunting throughout the seasons. For a private qualified showing, please call Jim Digby at 303-883-8493.